How to enable a special contrast theme in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Then, click on Settings. Click on the Accessibility option on the left-hand side. Look for the Contrast Themes option on the right-hand side. Then click on it. Under Theme Preview, click on the Contrast Themes option. Here you'll see some different themes. Select your desired theme. Then click on Apply. If you want to create your custom theme, click on Edit. Now you can choose the color for your custom contrast theme. You can select the background, text and accent colors. Once you have selected your colors, click on Save As and then write a name. Then click Save and Apply. And that's how you can enable a special contrast theme in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.